Hi, in this video I will show you unable to open link in Google and how to fix it. So I will be showing you a few methods on how to do that. First, you have to go to your Google browser and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Here you have to scroll down and you have to look for settings. Tap on settings, click privacy and security. Here you have to look for clear browsing data, and then you have to check only cookies in cache files. So what you're going to do here is you can change the date, the range, for example, like 7 days or 1 week, 24 hours. Everything is up to you, and then clear data. Corrupt files can prevent links from opening. Next is disable extension. So some browser extensions can block links. You need to disable all, then try opening the link again. Re-enable one by one to find the issue. Now for the third step, what you're going to do here is you have to simply make sure that you're using the updated version of the Google web browser. Next, you have to go to settings again, and then this time, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and tap on reset. So this is the last step where you need to restore settings to their original defaults. A pop-up will appear and then just click Reset Settings. Reset your home page, a search engine, and UTab page. Disable all extensions and clears temporary data like cookies will help you fix the issue. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.